to the people in Fiji. I believed in myself. And us, as we're sitting here today, there'll be a lot of people talking. Outside your family, outside your work, wherever you are, they'll be talking. Doing good things, people talk. Doing bad things, people talk. Keep going. Work hard. I work really, really hard. Talking to the kids, sharing about these three things I've been sharing to the kids. And if you have children going back home, make sure you share this to them. Believe. For me, believe in God and believe in myself. If I had those people, I wouldn't make it into World Rugby. Didn't fly our little Fijian flag all over the world. I did it because I believed in myself and I believed in God. Secondly, work hard. Tell your kids to work hard. Work harder than yesterday. If you think you're working hard, no. Work harder than yesterday. If you're studying hard, study harder.